What if your students could have a fully interactive course, complete with quizzes, videos, and an integrated AI tutor, all in the time it takes to watch an episode on Netflix? In today's video, everyone, we're taking a look at coursebox.ai. It's a platform where you can create your ideal course using AI. So it's absolutely spot on for anyone looking to create a course for their students. Perhaps you run a business and want to sell an actual course on the school community platform with a K, for example. There are loads of different options available to you there. So let's log into our account and have a look at this ourselves. I just want to show you all. You can go ahead and create. That's the button right up at the top there. And here it all is. So will you create something here? There are different things you can do. We want a beginner-friendly course called AI Content Creation for Beginners, all right? But we want to keep it really simple. We can go ahead and choose the language for whichever demographic we're targeting. It's going to teach people about image generation, content marketing, all the good stuff you really need to know. Because it's the AI takeover. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere, so we might as well teach some people how to do it. So we're going to put that prompt in now, and boom, in just a few seconds, it actually comes out AI content creation. It's right here. Image generation, the summary, content marketing. All the basics are included right here now. You can say whether you like it, dislike it, or maybe you're neutral about it. I like how it tells you that it gives you assignments, and the duration is 1 hour and 22 minutes. There are 5 quizzes. It's 14 pages long with 7 different sections. So I'm looking at this thinking, this is great. I can definitely learn about AI in like an hour. And again, it has the different areas here as well, okay? As you can see, whether it's for marketing or getting started with AI. So let's go ahead, once we're happy, and press generate on that. And let's actually generate the course and see how it actually looks. So right there, it's come through AI content generation made simple. Here's the what we'll learn section, evaluating the outputs. Everything is all there. Okay, let's go through and take a look. It's got all the different pictures, the support, content planning, the writing drafts. It looks really good. What do you folks think? Let me know in the comments section of this video. I think this is really impressive. You can swap out blocks if you want to modify things in certain sections. You can just go ahead and do that with the text, the interactions, the different assessments, and the multimedia here. There's an AI section where, again, you've got videos, images, a quiz section, and the AI tutor settings. It's all there. What's really cool is that you also have your own little AI editor, which can actually help out a lot. If we add a different block there, again, there's a video section here. You can upload a video. You can drop a link in there. You can use one from the presentation, or you can just have an AI generated video as well. So any videos you have on your computer, you can just transfer them over into your course. Super easy. Let's say, for example, here, we're just bringing over a 2-minute video for our course. Go through and take a look. We can drop a link in there. It's super easy if we just want to do it the simple way by dropping a link in. This is like a YouTube linear. We've just dropped a YouTube video link into the course and it's right there now. If you have a good YouTube video and you think, yeah, this is going to be a really great educational segment for this course, you can just drop it in there. Super easy for your students to understand and grasp. Let's click on the AI quiz section here. Go through and take a look. And I actually love this. This might be one of my favorites. Describe what you want the quiz or questions to actually be about, and you can just go ahead and generate questions, so you don't even have to come up with them yourself. We're going to generate a quiz for our student. Pass grades. Okay, let's see the question. The answers, they're all there. Everything's here. It generates everything for it. To pass the quiz, you have to get 80% of the questions right. Generate AI scenario. Okay, start scenario. What can AI do? So let's take a look. Okay, so this is the scenario. You need a week-long content plan for your small business's social channel. How do you use AI to get started? Ask AI to generate a full detailed plan, and it's walking us through the whole scenario just to give some examples here. As we can see, it's all here. Really helpful. Super impressive, super thorough, really cool. You can edit all the text over. If you want to make it a bit more lively, you can write this in a more exciting tone for the different segments because you might want to tweak things a bit, and that's totally fine. Excel there, very good. Always review AI generated content before publishing to make sure it's accurate and original. So I liked having that pro tip in there, so I think we'll keep it. So you can add all that good. You can make that bold so it doesn't get overlooked, and it highlights it as a really important point. Very good. You have different avatars as well, so you can create your own avatar. You can choose from their available avatars, different scripts. You can upload a photo, which is really great too. Go in, select a voice if that's something you need. Different voices, different logos, different backgrounds can be used. Here's an example, a little preview right there. And they have lip sync too, which is really great. So basically, that means when they're speaking, the way their lips, mouth and face move will pretty much match the way the sound comes out. So it's generating that video now, and we can go ahead and play it.
AI tools can really speed up your content creation process, helping you turn your ideas into drafts quickly. You can create images for presentations, social media, or even short videos, and then adjust them to match your.
And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and share that course. So you can make it restricted, you can make it public, you can even sell the course. You can share it on X, Facebook, or WhatsApp, even on LinkedIn, all right? We can go ahead and actually bring this here. Now, this is cool. I mean, how good is this? This is actually a certificate for your course. I love this, super professional, and a really nice touch for your students to actually go ahead and do this. A really great, fantastic addition that they've included by having that. The certificates, the badges, even if they're just digital, are still a really cool thing to have. You can create a badge for your students to check out after they've actually finished the course. If you're ready to build your own courses more efficiently, check out the link in the description to start your first course for free. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, tap that little notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos, and comment below. What do you think of today's video? See you next time.